This video will demonstrate the powerful information set that can be published with your BIMx hypermodel from ArchiCAD 19 and newer. The amount and type of exported information for elements and zones can be customized according to your needs. Take a look at ArchiCAD's Publisher Set Properties dialog. After choosing to save a single file, or to upload to the BIMx model transfer site, we now have a choice of which info set should be included with the hypermodel during export. Depending on the project readiness and the recipient, the published info set can be adjusted according to 4 use cases. The first option is None, which means no additive information is included with the published hypermodel. This can be useful in the case of a preliminary model delivered to the client, where any information would be misleading. The second option is to include the legacy information set. This means BIMx will show information like the element ID, volume, basic dimensions, or structure familiar from previous versions. A new option is to include information gathered from the Tags and Categories tab of all element settings. This is useful when working with IFC properties, which can thus be listed in the info pop-up of elements and zones too. To add properties to elements, scroll down to their Tags and Categories tab page and choose the Manage IFC Properties function. Here you can select from new and predefined rules and classifications. This leads to a highly customizable and useful information set for all the recipients of the hypermodel. The fourth option is to collect information from a specific interactive element schedule. This schedule can be set to list properties of all 3D elements and zones, thus resulting in a database packed with every detail about the elements. To choose an interactive schedule, activate the Select Schedule option and pinpoint it by name. ArchiCAD offers such a template, which can be further fine-tuned to your needs. Thanks to the Data Detector function on iOS, any data included in the info sets, and also in the info field of the project, recognized as a web link, telephone number, or email address, etc., will be highlighted and handled as a link to the appropriate mobile app. If you hold down the link, even more options will be provided. Therefore, information included in the info sets can link the BIMx hypermodel elements to a manufacturer or an external database. The real power of BIMx lies in bringing customizable building element information into every bit of the model and into the hands of mobile users. Please also watch the other clips in this series to get in touch with all the new features of BIMx and BIMx Pro.